Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this video. I hadn't planned on making this, but somebody watched it and did not understand when I was talking about center engraving. Center engraving is something you do through epilogues. Well, any laser, I guess, but this is an epilogue laser. I do have a laser hooked up to this laptop, but this names that you're going to put in are going to be in the center of the page. Now you could put this anywhere and then still engrave center. You could move all this over here and put your engraving center there, but I have found it so much easier to go ahead and put it in the center of the page, and then when you bring in your names, you can hit P on the keyboard and they'll go to the center of the page. So, and as in this picture, the laser is set up, it's well off, like that's probably the 16 or 18 marker. It's probably way down here, and I do that so I can see above it. This is a Fusion, and it's 28 by 40, and it'd be hard to see over the center, but if you put it here, you can see directly down. You can't see the beam of light, but it's down in that crevice, and I actually burned these marks. So when you put your rolling pin or whatever you're putting, and you put it between those two marks, then, and the purpose of this video is, well, this is the way I would have the screen looking. I'd have my names off the screen, and I'm going to get Veronica, and I'm going to go up to Print, Preferences, and I'm going to hit right here under Options, Center, Engraving, and it's marked center. You want to make sure that's marked, because you could have left center, top center, page center, but you want center. Now, as I'm right here, I've never engraved off this laptop. I had I had Randy Allen from Engraving Concepts set it up for me so I could do it and do this. I engrave everything from the bottom up. And then once you can set and make those as default. But then you're just doing the names, and you want to make sure you just have raster, because you do have some hairlines marked there. You don't want to do that. So the good thing about it, you only have to set this up once, and then you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to hit, and this is what I was talking about earlier. If you don't hit OK and it goes away, I might get a message because I don't have a laser hooked up to this. But what I was saying, so in the very next one, the preferences are still there. We're still center, we're still rastering. So when you're ready to engrave the second one, all you have to do is hit OK. The preferences are already set. So there you go. And that'll be job 2. Bring Charlotte in, hit engrave or print. That's job 3. You need to keep track of your job so you won't, because if you accidentally forget, if you go preferences, OK, and then if you just happen to click there and run over your laser, if this screen doesn't go away and you don't see the data light on your laser blinking, you're going to run the same name twice. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.